The famous Japanese car manufacturer Toyota is planning to bring their 7-seater family MPV named as Avenger in the Indian market. Toyota is selling the Avenger in some of the Asian markets including Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia for few years. The MPV is based on company's TNGA platform. Toyota has a plan to bring this MPV in the Indian market in the middle of 2022 at the expected price between Rs 6 to 9 lakhs ex-showroom. After launch in the Indian market, the MPV will be positioned below Toyota Innova Crysta. The MPV will be available in 3 variants: E, S and S Plus. Talking about the power, internationally the MPV is available in 1496cc 1.5-liter 4-cylinder inline 16-valve DOHC dual VVTi petrol engine mated to a 4-speed automatic transmission. The Indian specifications of the new Toyota Avenger is expected to be available in 2 engine options: 1-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine which can generate 98 bhp of power and 140 Nm of peak torque, and 1.2-liter petrol engine with hybrid setup which can produce 114 bhp of combined power and 185 Nm of peak torque. The engines are expected to be mated with optional 6-speed manual or a CVT automatic transmission. Talking about the exterior design, the new Avenger gets sportier rug look. Upfront it gets split slick LED projector headlights with inserted LED DRLs, chrome strip instead of grille with Toyota badging at the center, large black air inlets, updated front bumper with plenty of black cladding, bumper mounted black inserted LED fog lights housing, and front silver highlights at the bottom. The side profile gets power heated ward beams with integrated turn indicators, body colored door handles, tinted glass, side chrome body molding, large wheel arcs, and new set of 15-inch crystal cut multi-spoke dual tone alloy wheels. The rear profile receives new set of wrap-around tail lights, a thick chrome strip that runs across the boot, Toyota badging at the center of the boot, rear washer, defogger and rear wiper, tailgate integrated spoiler, spoiler-mounted emergency braking light, shark fin antenna at the roof, rear fog lights housing, and updated rear bumper. The interior of the MPV has been updated with a number of updated features including airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials with silver highlights, new silver accented dashboard setup with dash mounted AC vents, T-cut electric power adjustable leather wrap 3-spoke steering wheel with steering mounted silver highlighted controls, smart instrument cluster with TFT multi-information display, 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth navigation system, smartphone connectivity, USB port, premium sound system with 4 speakers, remote trunk opener, front and rear 13 cup holders, auto climate control, vanity mirror, push button start and stop, remote keyless entry, well cushioning ventilated seats for comfortable ride with manually adjustable driver seats, rear second row seats and third row seats with 50-50 splitting options and bigger boot space. The MPV gets a radar-based safety and assistive features including monocoque structure, ABS with EBD, brake assist, emergency stop signal, electric stability control, rear windows defroster, traction control, auto door lock, engine immobilizer, dual front airbags, and rear parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Thank you.